Hey everyone, hope all of you are fine and doing well. If not, just keep working hard and you will do a wonders. So again, I'm coming with the latest video. In this video, I will be solving some game-based aptitude question for helping about the Capgemini latest 2022 drive. So in this video, let's get started and solve some game-based aptitude question which might help you in practicing. So these are the Capgemini practice questions which will consist of game-based aptitude test, consist of 4 games out of 24, and it takes about 20 to 24 minutes. So let's get started with this. So first question which we are having, it's from GeoSudo. In this types of game-based problems, we are given with the shapes and we have to predict what will be the shape which will come here. So as you can see, so typically if you want to solve these types of problems, then what we have to do, we have to see row and the column. So here four shapes are present, as you can see: plus, square, triangle, and circle. So if you we just have to see the row and the column. So if we have to decide what will come here, so we see that this row contains plus, square, and circle, which means here only the choice which is left is triangle. So option C is the correct choice, which means triangle. Triangle is the correct choice. So coming to the next question, it is again from the GeoSudo game based category. So again, same trick we have to apply, that if in this row we have to see this row and this column, so each row must consist of different shapes. So for example, if we talk about this column, this column contains circle, so circle cannot be the option because it should contain different shapes. So circle cannot be the option. If we talk about this row contains square and plus, which means plus and square cannot be the options. So again comes out option C, which is triangle, is correct option, which means here the triangle will come. Now again coming to the next question, this is another category in which you are based on the pattern. We have to select which of these grids follow the same rule. Means in this shape and in this shape, we have to see some pattern, and based on that pattern, we have to decide whether this option, this, 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 or this, which one is correct. So as you can see in this question, if you try to search for pattern, then one pattern we can see that these two are same, and another pattern we can see this diagonal consists of plus here and plus here, and in between there is some shape. Same pattern is here also. You can see these first row and this third row are same, and here is plus and here is plus, and in between something is there. So if we go and see here, this shape consists same row and this consists same row, and this cannot be the correct option as first and third are not same. This cannot be the correct option. So this one is correct and this one is correct. These two are the correct options. So coming to the next question, this is another category in which you have to fill up the choose up the digits so that it can solve some equation, and it's again a game based problem where we can select any of the number from here, and we can just add here, and if we can simplify this equation based on this output. Means we have to just calculate this output filling some values here. So if somewhere if you want to delete the some number you have chosen, you can choose this option. So uh, we have to just select unique digits that satisfy the given equation. So we can choose some number here. For example, we have to select some number here. So let's choose some number. What we can choose, we have to break this number. We can choose 7 here, 4 here, and 2 here. Means 7 multiplied by 4 plus 2 giving 28 plus 2. Sorry, don't mind my writing because I don't have a mouse right now at this point, so I'm using the buttons of the cursor. Means the inbuilt button comes with the system laptop, so don't mind it, please. So here comes 30. See, in this way means some equation will be given. Means as an idea, just I want to tell you that some equation we have to just solve here choosing this number, and here condition is that unique digits. So 7, 4 and 2, all these three are unique digits. Now coming to the next category, which means same numero category. So it's a similar kind of situation. So again we have to just choose some options here, here and here, which will give 17 as an result output. So we can choose several options. For example, if we choose 3 here, and this give, and here what we can choose, 3 divided by 3, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5, which means we have to here calculate 12. So we can choose 4, 6 multiplied by 2 to 12. Which means we can choose this equation like this: 4 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 6 multiplied by 2 giving 17. As this will give 12 and this will give 1, and these together will give 5. So 5 plus 12, 17. Basically we have to follow the BODMAS rule here, which we are studying from our primary classes. This we have to follow. So I know you can understand that somewhere while I'm writing it is taking a lot of time, but please don't mind that. So this is another category, which is motion challenge category. In this category, what we have to do, we have to just take this ball to this hole, and we have some obstacle in between, such as this one, this one, this one, and this one. So what we can do, we have to just move them around. We can move this thing there, here, here, upward. We can move in any direction, but we cannot rotate them. Rotation is not allowed. So for example, if we have to just make this ball move, we have to remove this from the front position. So what we can do, we can move this thing here and this here, then we can shift this one here, and then clearly the ball can go. So hope you are understanding. Means this will move up, this will come here, and this place become vacant, then this shape can be shifted here and this can go there. So how many steps we are taking? One step, moving this one upward, second step, and shifting this to the left side, right side, third step, and then directly moving this to here. So it's 4. So total 4 steps we have taken in this problem. So in this way, in some cases it's 4. Sorry, it's 4. So in some cases, it will be asking the minimum number of steps. So it can be done in any another way. For example, you can move this here, you can move this upward, you can move this one upward, and you can shift uh, this this one you can move upward, and you can means you can do in many ways. So this way, uh, might be in some case the number of steps coming will be larger. So this is about motion challenge, means we have to just pass this wall to here by making movement of these blocks in between. So there is another problem based on the motion challenge. Let's try this one out also. So in this we have one block here, one block here, and we have to make this wall move here. Okay. Okay, what we can do, we can move this thing here, means this shape will come here. Here, this is first step. Then we will move this shape here downwards, means this will occupy 3 blocks, means it will come here. This is second step. And then we will move this thing here, then it will come here like this. So then the passage will be clear, means in 3 steps the passage will become clear. Then ball, we have to move the ball to straight forward here, means ball comes here in 4th step, and in fifth step it will be here. Means total 5 steps we have taken to pass the ball into the hole. Hope you are understanding, and if you are having any doubts in at any point, do let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. uh, I will really appreciate, and it will really motivate me, so as to come up with more videos like this. And I will give my best effort so that I can come with best possible material. So please, 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 please subscribe. It will just take a while. It will take just a while to subscribe. Just click on the red button and rest of the things. So it's another question, find the missing part. So we have to just analyze the image, that in this portion this is the question mark where we have to find what will come here. So if you can see, this row contains a cross, this contains a cross, this contains a cross, means each row contains a single cross, which means this should be empty and this should be empty. So from this I think it's fifth is the correct option, because each row and each column contains only single cross. So if we choose any another of the option which will make more than one cross in either row or column, so which will not be the correct option. So till now these are the questions, and if these questions are anyway are helping you out, just give a thumbs up. And for any suggestions, do let me know in the comments so that I can improve upon the things. And please don't mind while I was writing, because at present I don't have that much resources that I can use. So whatever best possible I am having at this moment, I am using. And if any of these questions you want to know more about, then do let me know. And if you want another pseudocode questions for coding and any other resource material, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Vande Mataram.